Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to verify your human on Cloudflare isn't working. Now, if you're facing this issue, guys, say if you're trying to load a given page, could be a meta page like this one, or could be maybe a Roblox home page like this one, but you're facing that issue. Now, the quick fix for this is quite simple. Just close that, go ahead and tap on the three dots, choose settings. After choosing settings, choose privacy and security. Now go ahead and choose site settings over here. Now scroll down and then click on site location and make sure this one is toggled on. Sites can ask for your location. If this is turned off, it will be the issue. Now once it's toggled on, come back to the new tab, open any website and you'll verify the Cloudflare as a human. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.